Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Throw ball. Let's know about game of throw ball. Index. The things that we will discuss about throw ball are: first, age criteria; second, play field; third, officials in the match; fourth, location of referee and their assistants; fifth, referee hand signals; sixth, penalty card rules; seventh, major competitions; eighth, equipments of throw ball. Age criteria. Sub-junior. Boys and girls under 14 years of age on the last date of the years, that is 31st December. Junior group. Girls and boys shall be below 17 years of age on the last date of the preceding year, that is 31st December. Senior group. Boys and girls shall be below 19 years of age on the last day of preceding years, that is 31st December, and open tournament is men and women of all ages. Play field. First, senior group. The ground measurement it is 18.30 by 12.20 square meters. Second, junior group. The ground measurement it is 18.30 by 12.20 square meters. Third, sub-junior group. The ground measurement it is 15.30 by 9.20 square meters. Officials in the match. There are 5 officials in the match. First referee; second referee; third, scorer; fourth, assistant scorer; fifth, line judges. Location of referee and their assistants. First referee. The first referee in volleyball is positioned on elevated platform at the side of the net, opposite the official table or referee stand. Second referee. The second referee stands on the floor opposite the first referee and assists in making calls, primarily focusing on the play at the net. Third, scorer. The scorer performs his or her function seated at the scorer table on the opposite side of the court from the facing the first referee. Fourth, assistant scorer. The assistant scorer performs his or her function seated beside the scorer at the scorer table. Fifth, line judges. The line judges stands opposite corner throughout the entire match. Let's see referee hand signal. Referee hand signals. Every throwball player should know about these important referee hand signals, because referee will give some signals in the match like service, carry, shift, delay, clash, etc. You all can have a look on different referee signals are there. First, service. Second, jump service. Third, position fault or rotation fault. Fourth, net contact by ball from service or play. Fifth, delay in service. Sixth, carry. 7. Double contact. 8. Delay. 9. Juggling. 10. Shift. 11. Shooting. 12. Wrist touch. 13. Body touch. 14. Movement. 15. Foul throw. 16. Ball in. 17. Ball out. 18. Clash. 19. Common ball. Now students, you can see in this picture, these are line judge officially flag signal. First, ball in. Second, ball out. Third, ball contact. Fourth, ball crossing outside the antenna or serving fault. Fifth, judgment impossible. Penalty card rules. During the set, if misconduct found in the officials and players, referee shall deal with the matter by showing yellow and red cards as he deems fit. Red card. Card holder who commits the mistake repeatedly, violates the rules, conduct any types of misbehavior is intolerable. Such of those shall be shown with the red card and shall not be allowed to participate in the same match and also for another one official match. Yellow card. Holder who violates the rules and misbehaves during the game shall be shown with the yellow cards as warning.
Major competition. Throwball is such a widely known game, but it is not included in Olympic Games. Though there are other matches as well which took place at the domestic and international level. Domestic competition. The Throwball Federation of India organized the National Throwball Championship in India. International competition. A junior international throwball match was conducted in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in December 2015, in which 8 countries participated. Equipments of throwball. A throwball game is a simple game which doesn't require any equipment other than a throwball net, a throwball ball, and a flat court. Even 2 players can play and have fun with the throwball. This is part 2 video of throwball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important points and details of equipment. Thank you so much, dear students. Take care, stay home, and stay safe.